Hello everyone, welcome to Dr. January. Today we gonna discuss about osteoarthritis. Let's begin. We'll discuss here diagnosis and treatment. So what is the osteoarthritis? Simply it's the degenerative joint disease. It's quite different than the rheumatic arthritis. It's have two types, primary and secondary. Common risk factors should be age, major joint trauma, repetitive stress and obesity. For clinical feature, joint pain on motion relieved by rest, stiffness after inactivity lasting less than 30 minutes. Common joint affected fingers, especially distal interphalangeal joints and proximal interphalangeal joints, and big toe, hip, spine, and knees. So for the diagnosis, we go through clinical and radiological. The goal should be reduce pain, maintain mobility, and minimize disability. We order especially diagnostic X-ray of the involved joints, CBC and ESR. ESR is very important because it's rule out rheumatoid arthritis. So for the therapeutics, we give especially these medications. Let's talk each by each. So for the pain relief, we can give paracetamol 500 mg tab 3 to 4 times a day. This can be taken by also pregnant patient. Another medication we can give naproxen 250 mg tab 3 times a day. Or another this one diclofenac 50 mg tab 3 times a day we can give to the patient. Or another mefenamic acid 500 mg cap 3 times a day. Or celecoxib 100 mg cap 2 times a day. This is very good for the older peoples and those who have history of peptic ulcer disease. This medication should be prescribed. For another, we can give ketoprofen or diclofenac. It's available in the cream or gel. We can apply affected joints for the pain relief. So another treatment is intra-articular injection. These injections are given between the joints for the long time management of the pain, including steroid injection and hyaluronic acid injections. This is given by only by the professionals, doctors. So for supportive treatments, we advise the patient for regular exercise, physical therapy, heat application on affected joints, and in case of failure medical management, orthopedic surgery with arthrotomy or total joint replacements done. So thank you for listening.